Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to gallery view on Google Meet. If you'd like to see all of the participants that are attending a meeting on Google Meet at the same time on the display, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and go to meet.google.com into the address bar and search. Make sure you're logged into your Google Meet account. Go ahead and start a meeting and invite your friends to the meeting. Once every participant joins in, simply click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen. This will open up an expanded menu. Go and click on this Change Layout button and now select Tiled option in order to gallery view all of the participants on your Google Meet. At the bottom, you should see a slider. You can expand this up to 49 members. Now, as you can see that you'll be able to see all of your attendees at one time on your screen. This is also known as the gallery view for your Google Meet account. That is how you'll be able to gallery view on your Google Meet account quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.